Welcome to how to work with hardware. On the last video we focused on the components of a tower, and we said that it's not called a CPU, it's called a tower because the CPU is actually the unit that is in there, which is the central processing unit, your chip. Now there's different types of them, but we're not going to get into that. And as you can see, something is wrong with my hands. There's nothing there. However, if you're working with components of a power supply, or if you're working with components of a tower, what you need to have is an anti-static belt. So what you do is you clip it on and then tie it around your wrist. Tie it around your wrist, sorry. Okay. And now there will be no static discharge. Now the reason for that is all these are electric components, and any static that is discharged could potentially destroy any of your hardware. You need to always remember that. So the first thing we're going to do today is change the random access memory. If random access memory is where all your random memory is stored, so you basically all the memory that you're working with from internet browsers and from all your internet browsers, from your documents, if you have a document opened, all that memory is actually stored on random access memory until you shut down your computer, and then all the permanent memory is moved to your hard drive. Okay, so that is the difference between random access memory and your hard disk drive, which is also a form of memory. Now, the reason to change this is if you hear your computer beeping, or if it's not fast enough, it's because you don't have enough random access memory, so it will slow your computer down. As you can see, I have pulled that off, and just to show you how I did it, there's one more remaining. So you just clip on the sides. There are two buttons on the side. You push them down and then you pull it up, and then it's out. And remove that, and then here's the new one. You will just plug it in, push it down other way, so you will see there's a space there which tells you what type of RAM it is, or random access memory as we call it. So this piece is called a DDR3. So all you do is turn it around. Now make sure that the space is aligned to the small space on your RAM, and all you do is push it down and it will clip on as you hear the sound. Okay, the next thing that we're supposed to do is pull out the power supply, but we're not going to do this on this video. We'll focus on that in the next video.